Today we're going to be doing the mean, median, mode, and range for statistics. Now, this is not that hard. We're just going to have to know first the basic definitions. Okay, I'm going to write them down over here as well. Mode means the most repeated value. Most repeated value. Okay, I'm going to give you an example for all of them as well. I'm first going to write them down. Then median is the middle value, and this is all going to be from data. Okay, I'm going to explain that in a bit. Is the middle value. Third, you have the, let's say, mean. Mean is basically the average. Mean is the average. And range is the highest number. Oh, highest number. Let me fix this. Minus the lowest number. Okay, these are the four types. So these are the four the mean, median, mode, and range. We have the four types over here. The four things you have to know. Now, how do we apply this? Okay, let's see if you have a question here. That, let's say we have 6, 4, minus 2, 3, 0, 4, 1, and 2. Okay, and someone says find mean, median, median, mode, and range. Okay, now first of all, let's first find our mode. We're going to start from here. So let's first find the mode. Now, okay, let's first start with the mean over here. Okay, now look, the mean is going to be the average, but let's first add them. What's the average? 6 plus 4 minus 2 plus 3 plus 0 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2. You add all the numbers up and then divide them by the number of numbers you have. Okay, number of numbers basically mean how many numbers do you have? 6, 1, 4 is the 2, so minus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you add the numbers and then you divide them by the total number of numbers that there are. Okay, now if we do this over here, we're gonna get, let me see over here, 6 plus 4, 10, minus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 4 is going to be 15, 15 plus 1 is going to be 16, and we're going to have 18 divided by 8. So that will be my answer. And you can also give them the answer in points as well, in decimal points, if they don't say anything. If they do give you a specific value, like if they do give you a specific instruction, like okay, give the answer in a decimal form, then you have to. But if they don't say anything about any, well, like which form do you have to give them, then you can just give them in any form, decimal, fraction, improper fraction. Okay, now secondly, you're gonna have the mode. So yeah, the mode over here. So the second is also the median. Okay, for the median, first arrange the values starting smallest, starting from the smallest. Okay, so you have all these. Now first you shuffle them smallest. What's the smallest over here? You have minus 2. So let me write them here with this pen over here, minus 2. Then you have 0. Then you have 1. Then you have 2, then you have 3, 4, and you can also write the other 4 as well. So 4, 6, these are all the numbers. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, all those numbers. Now what you do is find the middle value. Median basically means the exact middle value, okay? Find the middle value. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't have a middle value. We only have 4 here and 4 here. How can you find the middle value? Now, in a case where you cannot find the exact middle value, okay, let me write that over here. You can't find the middle value. Then take the two middle values and add them, then divide by 2. Okay, for example, what's the two middle values here? Let's mark them. These two. You have 3 here, 3 here, and the other two middle values, 2 and 3. You add them first, okay? So let me, if I take it down here. So you will add them first, okay? You're going to add them first over here. That's going to be 2 plus 3 divided by 2. So 5 divided by 2, or in other words, 2.5 would be my answer. That will give you the median, okay? That's our median over there. Now the third thing we have to know is our mode. Our mode. Mode is the most repeated value, okay? Now what's the most repeated value? We have minus 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 4. 4 has been repeated 2 times. Every other number is only repeated 1 time, okay? So we're going to write the answer as 4. Simple as that. The most repeated value, that is 4 over here. Last one, you have the mean, median, mode, and range. The range is going to be the highest minus the lowest. What's the highest number? 6 minus the lowest number, minus 2. Minus, so 6 minus 2. Minus 1 will give you plus. So 6 plus 2. That would be 8 in the end.